Hello, welcome to Philosophy 390, Gender Studies 390, Feminist Philosophy. My name is Brian Smith. I'll be the instructor for this course. This is an online course. You probably know that. Now, if you're watching this, you must be in Blackboard at the course site. That's great. You'll see there on the, I think it's called the Start Here page, there's a number of things, about a half dozen things you're supposed to do before you really get started. Watching this, I guess, is one of them. Another one is going to be getting set up on another website called Flipgrid. Maybe you've used that in other courses. It's a platform for video-based class discussions, so we're going to be making use of that. Now, I've never used it before. It's going to be my first time, so there may be a few glitches or bugs we need to work out, but I'm sure it will be fine. I hope so. Other things you need to do, have a look at the syllabus. It's on Blackboard. It's fairly clear, I hope, but if you have any questions at all, just let me know. Send me an email. I will just say here that something you'll notice, there's a number of writing assignments, about 10 actually, nearly one per week, and that'll be in addition to a kind of take-home midterm and final exam. I just want to make it clear that those writing assignments are fairly short. They're meant to kind of fit in well with just your regular patterns of reading and thinking about the material and so on, and that they're not going to be graded particularly harshly, just in case the prospect of 10 writing assignments sounded high to you, basically, or a lot of work. It's not really any more work. It's just a way of trying to keep a constant rhythm. So, especially with an online course where we don't necessarily have, well, we don't have classroom, direct face-to-face contact, it's good just to kind of keep working like that. So, anyway, I just want to reassure you that that's not a particularly onerous requirement for the course. But if you have any other questions about it, about the course or anything at all, just send me an email. I think that's all I'm going to say right here. The point of this was just to say hello, welcome you to the course, and I'm sure it'll be a great one. I'm very looking forward to it. I hope you are too.